Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for seasoned rice. To get started, here are my ingredients, and here I have some long grain basmati rice. I have some bell peppers, fresh thyme, chicken broth, minced garlic. I'll be using some grated carrots, some green onions, grated ginger, some yellow onions. I have parsley, black pepper, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, and paprika. In a preheated pot, I did add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I'll go in with the onions, garlic, ginger, bell peppers, and parsley. I'll also add my seasonings here, and we'll let them go for about 3 minutes just to caramelize nicely and release those flavors. Next, we'll add our rice. You want to make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it, and we'll give it a good mix. We'll let it go for about 5 minutes so it can absorb all those flavors and aromatics. So at this point, we will now add our chicken broth. You can also add vegetable broth if you want to keep it all the way vegan or vegetarian. Yes, you can add vegetable broth. You can also add water, but I find when you add the broth, it adds another depth of flavor to the rice, and that's exactly what we want. Now we will add our thyme. We will cover and let this cook until all the liquid evaporates. Once all the liquid evaporates, we'll go ahead and give this a good mix so that the rice that's at the bottom could come up to the top and the ones that's at the top could go down to the bottom. We will place a piece of foil wrap over top of the pot to trap all the heat, and we will cook this on low heat for an additional 5 minutes. We just want, all the grains of the rice to be perfectly cooked. And lastly, we will garnish with some fresh green onions and grated carrots. And that's it. Super simple to make this, but the rice is so delicious. It's good on its own. You can eat it just like that, but it's the perfect side dish that goes with almost anything. Now I will plate this up and show you guys the finished product. So I did pair this up with some fried ripe plantains, turkey wings, and some stir-fried vegetables. It was so good. My entire family enjoyed the meal, and I do hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!